This socio-economic survey gives a table of how many schools, primary schools, upper primary schools, high school and higher secondary schools are there, sir. On page number, sir, page number 264, sir. So they say that the number of schools are, in this they say that 62,162, sir. But under RTI, sir, when I seeked an information, the RTI gave me the total schools are 65,400, sir. Upper primary school, sir, 17,823. And the RTI gives me 19,670. High school, sir, this table says 16,195. And the RTI says 17,445. Sir, I would like to know, sir, which are the figures which are correct and which are the figures which are supposed to be believed. What this economic survey says or what the RTI says. It is really sad, sir. This shows that either the RTI department is misleading the people who are seeking information under RTI Act, or this house is being misled by the government by this socio-economic survey, sir. Who is serious? Is this the way the government is run? Is this the way the administration of the government is supposed to run, sir? Casual. It's very casual, sir. And when they say that we have a surplus budget, sir. Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of this house, sir, the information, sir. So the total post which are sanctioned under RTI, I am saying, sir, now, is 2,59,463 in all the schools, sir. Present possession 2,30,034. And the vacant position is 29,420, sir. And the results, if you have to see again in the same economic survey, sir, the passing percentage is decreasing because of the vacancies, sir. Sir, what are the norms? The norms say the student-teacher ratio should be 1:30. If we follow that norm, the total requirement of teachers in the state of Andhra Pradesh, according to the existing schools, would be 5 lakhs, sir. But the present strength is 2.5 lakhs, sir. That means we have only 50% of teachers. When we do not give proper teachers, what would be the state, sir? The results are going to be the same, sir. Sir, now let us go to the degree, sir. Degree and junior colleges, sir. Degree and junior colleges. The degree colleges in states are 178, sir. Out of which Telangana region has 67, Rayalaseema 46, Andhra 65. So from this 20 colleges are Urdu medium, parallel sections of function, 115 colleges have the English medium along with Telugu medium, sir. Number of lecturer posts are sanctioned is 4,373. Vacancies are 1,507, that is 35% posts are vacant. It's only 35. Now, the government is planning to come up with new degree colleges, sir. I request, sir, before opening new degree colleges, please fill up the vacancies of existing degree colleges. That is most important. If you are going to have 35%, 50% of vacancies, obviously you will not seek an overdraft from the Reserve Bank. And the quality of education is also going down. Now, coming to junior colleges, sir. The total number of government junior colleges, 714 are functioning in state. Sir, out of 713, only 2 exclusively Urdu medium, sir, colleges are there. Only 2, sir. 58 colleges, Urdu medium sections are being conducted, sir. Sir, in this also, so totally, sir, 9,274 junior lecturer posts have been sanctioned, sir. 9,274. Out of which 4,833 are presently working and 4,441 posts are vacant, sir. This arises to 41%. Sorry. Sir, this is the information which I have seeked from RTI, sir. This is what I am saying. Whether RTI is right or your economic or the books which you give social economic survey is right. If RTI is wrong and my figures are wrong, please go catch them and suspend those officers who have provided me with the wrong information. Not me. Those officers should be suspended. Why are they providing wrong information, sir? And sir, going further ahead, sir, grant in aid is also there, sir.
Yes, yes. Oaisi sir.
Sir, I'm finishing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, diet charges have been raised by 40% for students between class 3rd to 7th and by 30% to students of class 8 to 10th. 4 pairs of uniforms are provided to all the hostel boarders in place. 2 pairs being provided, sir. Only 2 are being given, sir, now. They promised 4 and only 2 are giving. These are welcome steps, but there is a need to increase the mess charges substantially in all minority hostels, sir, both at pre-matric and post-matric levels. Sir, when I say about increase in post-matric and pre-matric, sir, budget was allocated. How many post-matric minority hostels have been opened? How many pre-matric minority hostels have been opened, sir? Only 1, sir. Only 1. Rest are in the process. They haven't yet started. Sir, my proposal is that, sir, in many districts, headquarters and many villages, sir, there are. So how many were sanctioned, sir? 14 were sanctioned. Out of that 6 are functioning. 14 were sanctioned. Out of that 6 are functioning, sir. Sir, what I say that there are many shadi khanas which are not been getting utilized. Either they are not being used or there is no proper population of Muslims are there who want to go and use the shadi khanas for the marriage purpose. Why not the Minority Welfare Department use such shadi khanas and open up hostels there, sir? Sir, I would urge the Finance Minister to increase the budgetary outlay for minority welfare to rupees 300 crore by making additional allocation of rupees 120 crores in the appropriation bill for 2008 and 9, sir. Sir, many new schemes are being implemented to improve primary and secondary education to extend coverage under midday meal scheme up to 10th class in all government and aided schools in 337 education backward mandals, and to provide full-fledged infrastructure to the high school under success scheme for universal access quality at secondary stage, and to introduce computer literacy to students in higher education in junior college and state. There is an urgent need to include Urdu medium school under all these schemes. All the 12 new residential schools and 12 pre-matric hostels and 16 post-matric hostels sanctioned for minority should be made functional from the ensuing academic year, sir. So the government have opened new universities in Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Kadapa, Rajahmundry, and proposed to start new universities in Mahbubnagar, Kurnool, Srikakulam next year. Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technology also been established in 3 new Indian institutes of information technology at Kadapa, Basra, and Nuzbid. I would urge the government to take these universities fully operational before establishing new university in all the remaining districts as promised by the Chief Minister, sir. Sir, at the same time, again I would like to remind, sir, minority department, sir, Finance Corporation is holding lot of training classes, lot of educational classes, sir. At the same time, I have been requesting it repeatedly in this house, sir. Sir, APIC has allotted lot of land for apparel park, for gem and jewelry park, for this and that, sir. Why not the Minority Development or Minority Finance Corporation should have a tie-up with the apparel park and gem and jewelry park? And apparel park, they need people to work, sir. Muslim youth of Old City could be recruited in apparel park, sir. Training on the same lines, the training could be provided by Minority Finance Corporation for apparel park and gem and jewelry park. And they should be given clear instructions that these Muslim youth should be given employment in apparel park and gem and jewelry park. This would generate an opportunity for unemployed Muslim youth, sir. I once again reiterate a demand for adequate coverage of beneficiary from the minority under the land distribution scheme, sir, which I've spoken, sir. Sir, I would also request the Finance Minister to extend Pawala Wadi scheme to all beneficiaries who get assistance under the scheme implemented by the AP State Minority Finance Corporation, sir. More self-help groups should be formed in urban areas to empower minority women by enabling them to stand on their feet by availing loans under Pawa Wadi scheme, sir. There is also an urgent need to tone up the functioning of all minority-related bodies. The government should take steps to overcome the legal hurdles to enable the elected body in AP State Work Board to become functional. The AP State Minority Finance Corporation should be strengthened in more staff and more allocation of AP Urdu Academy should be sanctioned more funds to implement the scheme for disbursement of scholarship to Urdu medium students, sir. And I would also like to